ISTEXT function checks whether a value is text and returns true or false. If any cell has value text, this function returns logical value true. If any cell has value number, this function returns logical value false. This function has only one argument. In value argument, select this cell reference, click OK. Function returns logical value false in this cell. Because this cell contains a number value. As a result, function returns logical value false in this cell. Activate this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click ISTEXT function. In value box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Function returns logical value true in this cell. Because this cell contains a text value. As a result, function returns logical value true in this cell. Paste the formula in other cells. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Activate this cell. Function returns logical value false in this cell. Because this cell is empty cells. Function returns logical value true in both cells. Because these two cells have text value. Function does not consider 1 and 32 as numeric values. It considers moon and street as text values. As a result, it returns logical value true in both cells. Activate this cell. Function returns logical value true in this cell. Because function considers this cell value as text value. Because number is between quoted marks. As a result, function returns the logical value true in this cell.